Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is articles. In English grammar, article is a word that is used before a noun to indicate whether the noun refers to a specific or general thing. Articles play an important role in English grammar as they help determine the meaning of nouns in a sentence. By using articles correctly, you can specify whether a noun is a specific thing or a general thing, and you can also indicate the quantity of the noun. Articles are of two types: 1. Definite and 2. Indefinite. The definite article in English is the. It comes before singular and plural nouns when the noun refers to something specific. For example, the book on the table is mine. Another example, the dogs in the park are playing. Next is indefinite article. The indefinite articles in English are a and an. They are used before singular nouns to indicate that the noun is not a specific thing but one of many things of the same type. A is used before nouns that start with a consonant sound, while an is used before nouns that start with a vowel sound. For example, I want to read a book. Another example, she has an apple in her hand. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.